I have a previous video of me using electric pressure washer. Basically, you soak the floor, you put in your chemical, the OxiClean in particular, OxiClean powder, you put in warm water or hot water, whatever you want to call it. Not boiling water, but hot water from your sink. Then you let it dissolve in your bucket. And there's instructions on the behind the bottle. And then you throw it on, and I just don't let it get dry like it's doing up here. It's already drying up, so it's not really worth it. You work in sections at a time, but basically, yeah, that's how you pretty much do it. Let it soak in, and then you can test it out. I mean, the deck here is dirty, but really it's just been neglected. I don't have to like sand anything. I didn't explain this in the beginning, but what I'm doing to measure um, the distance for each board on the deck, there's screws on the floor, on the wood, and they're 16 inches apart. That is what I'm using to calculate the distance. I'm not really calculating it, I'm just eyeballing it, and I'm doing that for the gas pressure washer and the electric pressure washer. Okay, so as you can see, I'm averaging just about 59 seconds to a minute using the gas powered pressure washer, and I ended up using the 15-degree tip, which is the yellow tip, and I didn't have a green yellow tip, which is a 25-degree. I'm sure if I was using that tip, it would have covered a wider surface, but I only had the yellow tip at the time, so that's the one that I'm using. But as you can see, I'm averaging just about a minute using it, and I did find myself going back and it just tried to get it perfect, but I don't believe it was necessary. Okay, so as you can see with the electric pressure washer, I'm doing each board what looks like to be a little over a minute, so about a minute and 10, a minute and 15 seconds I'm averaging it at. Um, so you can see the difference between the two. Okay, so you'll be able to decide for yourself which is a better option for you. Um, all I can say is the electric pressure washer, I ended up buying it for um, just under $90. It was like $82 with taxes included. I got a 20% discount at Harbor Fire, which you can get like in any day. You just go on their website, look at their coupon, and there's a 20% off. Um, and it applies for most of their stuff on their at the store or online. So that's all I can say about that. The gas pressure washer is significantly more expensive. Probably like you can get them for around 300, 400, and if you end up getting a used one from like Facebook Marketplace or um, was that other app they have, your mileage may vary, based on how it was used before. So you can decide on that.